Does your bird eat an all-seed diet? Do you need help converting your bird to a healthier pellet? Waz Balls! Waz Balls are a convenient and easy way to introduce pellets to your bird. Pause here for ingredients if you need. We call them Waz Balls due to the grinder. Waz the pellets, Waz the seeds. You should have about 1 teaspoon of each for a 50-50 mix. Combine the Waz pellets and seed. Add enough water to form a paste, then form into small balls. You can make them any size you want. Try small and large. Offer the Waz Balls to your parrot as you would any other treat item. Spreading them out on a plate can work well to entice a picky eater. Use your fingers to peck at the Waz Balls. When your bird is interested, keep pecking. Make fresh daily and adjust the mixture as needed. Reduce the seed portion until it's 100% pellets.